In this video, we will study how to multiply rational expressions. When multiplying, you have to multiply the numerator of the multiplicand to the numerator of the multiplier and the denominator of the multiplicand to the denominator of the multiplier to get the product. If possible, you can reduce your answer to lowest term. Let's try to answer our first example. As I have said, to get the product, you simply multiply the numerator to the numerator and the denominator to the denominator. So the result of this is negative 10a cubed b squared over 45ab cubed. And this answer is not yet in simplest form. So we have to reduce this. This will become negative 2 over 9, and then a cubed and a, that will become a squared, b squared and b cubed, that will become b. So our answer now is negative 2a squared over 9b. Next example. If the given expressions contain factorable polynomial, you have to factor it first. So you will get the answer which is already in simplest form. In this case, this one and this one are factorable. So if we're going to factor that, that will become 3 quantity x plus 2 over 14 times 7x squared over x squared quantity x plus 2. And it is very obvious that we can cancel those expressions that are common. For example, we have x plus 2 and x plus 2, so that will become 1. Also, 7 and 14, that will become 1 and 2. Lastly, we have x squared and x squared, that will become 1 also. After canceling everything that is possible, multiply everything left on the numerator. So, 3 times 1 times 1 times 1, that is 3. And then 2 times 1 times 1, that is 2. Therefore, our answer now is 3 halves. Last example. As I have said, if you can find expressions that are factorable, you may factor it first. Both the numerator and the denominator on these expressions are factorable. So these are the factored form. After that, cancel everything that are common. First, we can cancel this. So become 1. Also, x minus 2. That will become 1 also. And after observing, there is no expressions that are common. So we simply multiply those expressions that are on the numerator or that are left on the numerator. So 4 times quantity x plus 2 times 1 times 1, that is 4 quantity x plus 2. And then 7x times 1 times 1 times 3x minus 1 is 7x times 3x minus 1. And this is the product form.